Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X5c Plus, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here, once you're at the top, you want to scroll down to storage, which I did actually click by complete mistake, and then select memory card and choose format. Now before you do so, make sure that whatever data you store on it is data that you don't need, because everything on that card will be gone and this cannot be undone. So if you store anything there, maybe music or photos, make sure you create a backup copy of it to maybe your computer before you format it. But assuming you have already done so, or you just don't want to, you can click on Format, Erase and Format, and this will now begin doing so, which only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. Oh, there we go. So click on OK, and that's it. It's now formatted, and you can see it's already being picked up and can start storing data on it once more. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.